Hey guys, Steve, almetaldryervent.com. Check it out. 25% off sale of anything. You don't have to buy 15 items, just one. Today we're at a house, 2-story, dryer on the first floor, going through the floor into the crawl space and out of the side. Pretty long run. No airflow, and it hasn't been looked at. The house was built in 97. Homeowners moved in 98. 2024, guys. 2024. So we're going to crawl up under this house and see what's going on. I don't know. Not a bad crawl space. But the problem is I've got to go way over there. So let's do it. I'll be back once I get there. All right. So we're under here. If y'all look, I mean, that joker travels. Look at that. And it comes back here and shoots up through the floor right there. Now, let me pull this out a little bit. All right. It's completely full. I mean, completely full. And this is when you have to start looking at the bottom of the pipes because you're looking for rust holes. Holy mackerel. We're gonna set up shop outside. Try to clean this puppy out. It's got a bunch in it. We'll be back. Wow. This one's bad. No. Cows, man. There it's coming. There it is. And I still eating all of it. Whew. There it is. Look at that. Put that in perspective. Well, you can't really see, but I mean, it's 16 inches long. Guys, this is real. All right. That's dangerous. This could have easily ended in a fire. Okay? I'm not trying to pump fear. It's not my goal, not my intention. Okay? Have your dry vent cleaned out. I don't care what part of the world you're in, what part of the country you're in. God bless the USA. I don't care where you are. Pay attention to this. Guys, this is serious, all right? Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. I finally got the clog, but I mean, as you guys can see, look at that. Let me get a good picture of it. I mean, look at that, guys. This was one piece of the clog. Once I hit that piece, then the rest of it blew out. Now I'm still gonna run the brush through a couple times, but you guys can see the importance. Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Thank you guys.